In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Bristol airport parking discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head to your web browser and search that up, Bristol airport parking discount code. So once you have done that, you're gonna go over to the first website, Daily Mail. So I'm gonna click on it. So once you're on the first website, you're gonna see many codes. So the first one is enjoy 22% off bookings by applying this voucher. You can click on it. And this code AWBR22 is gonna give you a 22% discount while booking your parking. So you can do copy code, you can click go to the store where you can book all the stuff, the date and time, and then you can put this code at checkout to get a 22% discount. Now I'm gonna show you a few more codes. There's another code here, for example, get 15% off parking for your autumn gateway with this code, and this is the code reward, so you can use this code for a 15% discount. Now I'm gonna head to some other, no, I'm gonna show you a few more codes on this website first. So for example, get up to 20% off flights and up to 200 package holidays, so you can click on it. And this is the code for that. So now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Then you can scroll down until you see this website Groupon, and you're gonna click on it. So as you guys can see that these codes are for September 2023, so they are gonna work. So this code is voucher code save 12% on bookings at the Bristol airport parking, so you can click on it. And this is the code which is gonna save you 12% on your booking, so it's automatically copied. So all you have to do is go on the website and use it. So I'm gonna go and show you a few more codes on the same website. So 10% discount on your orders on your parking, and this is the code for that, so it's automatically copied and you can do the same steps and use it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.